We love the Ford Transit medium roof, which is what we chose. It's the 157 wheelbase. It's a 2015 and it's great. We did have trouble, however, at the beginning getting the door shut. So we tried to do it hard, we tried to do it fast, you know, like this. The door bounces open. So what we found works is to use your hand to push in the door. You don't have to do it hard or fast, and you can do it with one hand in case your hand is full of something else. Just get it moving a little bit, push it in. Done.